Hi everyone, my name is Navid Destiny. This video focuses on how to write a single subscription for the whole project and avoid repeating subscriptions in components. By doing this, you follow the single responsibility principle from Solid. Before we started using dependency injection, we create a service by write new class name like that. Service new test service. Just it. If your service has a 10 method, every single method is called. Provide. Now, thanks to dependency injection, we can easily inject the service in the constructor, like that. And use everything. This dot API dot get test dot subscribe and test. Starting from Angular 14, Inject can use outside of constructor, like that. API, inject, and test service. Provide. Import inject, and that's it. And use everywhere, like that. This is a simple method for beginner. And create a service. You can create a service for CLI, NGGS name service, and create like that, and use HttpClient and create get method. If you want to become an advanced coder, you do what I do and create main services abstract like that, and create two methods, make a HTTP request and request for a auto subscribe. HTTP client has many methods such as get, post, put, and delete, but many beginners miss the request method. This method is responsible for create an HTTP request. HTTP request requires these params: method, URL. We either have data or we don't. HTTP request needs that params: method, URL, and data, and set the data like that. And I wrote every HTTP call to this method. I passed the detail to the request method as parameters. I create a subject for save data and pass, and this HTTP call request and pass parameters. I set a pipe for unsubscribe. Take a unit destroyed is best unsubscribe for that methods. I inject a destroy the ref and call in take a unit destroys and subscribe and get the data to subject and return data as observable. Okay, let's use these methods in project. In test service, I'm extend that main service, and we don't use HTTP because HTTP client in this service because and in main service I'm inject that, and we don't use this and create HTTP request, pass a method, get method or anything, and pass a URL. And create HTTP request. Just it. And this component, let's request is that call method service and get response like that. First value for call a request method and pass a request. We don't have, we don't use that, and get the assign and await for the promised data. Get the promised data. Just it. If you need subscribe in your components, just use this two line. That's all you need. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.